Next question. I'm working on a Sub2 that's on the market. What is the best way to give the realtor some sort of commission? Well, I'll tell you what I tell most people who ask questions like that. Why don't you ask the realtor what they want? That's the way I would do it. If it's on market and it's actually listed, chances are that realtor is going to want their commission. So can you pay that commission? Well, gee, I don't know. Is the seller willing to walk away? Let's throw some numbers out. Let's say it's a $200,000 house and the seller has it listed. They have it listed for 200. They're probably going to pay $12,000 in commission to that agent. If it's the listing agent that's selling it, of course, that'll probably be half of that. You can probably get that kind of deal arranged. So maybe it's only $6,000. But if it's a $200,000 house, the seller wants nothing. They're walking away. You could afford to pay that agent $12,000, between 6 and 12, depending on what you negotiate. Because if you do what we do, you're going to sell that house with seller financing, and you're probably going to get around $20,000 down for it. If the house is in good condition, you've got room to pay that commission, still put some money in your pocket, and it worked out for everybody. If the seller wants a little bit of money too, you've got a little bit of room to play around with that. It just depends on what kind of return you want. We generally don't like to leave any cash in a deal on a nice house with no equity. We like to actually have something in the pocket up front and make cash flow and make a back end too. But we have some pretty strict parameters that we operate under.